Magic hand. This is a great game for loose leash and focusing on distracting environments.
Yes, good girl, very good. Good girl. Good girl.
Here Coda proves there is little interest or excitement with me with dry treats. As soon as I use the high-value treats, she's with me and engaging with me. I can begin to become unpredictable in my movements and change direction. She becomes so engaged with me, I can't reward fast enough. This is the behavior we want from this game. We want them to be totally focused on us. This is a lot more fun when not in a wheelchair, as your movements can be faster and is a great workout for you both. You can use this skill anywhere and everywhere. At home, the street, the park, the beach. Even if you're waiting for something and wanting to keep your dog focused and entertained. Again, we want to keep paying into their bank account. And show them we are worth their interest.